Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Python is a versatile and popular programming language, known for its simplicity and readability. While Python is primarily used for general-purpose programming, it also has a strong presence in the world of graphical user interfaces, GUIs. There are several libraries and frameworks available for creating GUI applications in Python, and each has its strengths and weaknesses. In this tutorial, we'll explore some of the options for creating a Python GUI shell and provide code examples for each. Python GUI shells allow you to create interactive graphical user interfaces for your applications. They provide a way to design and organize your application's user interface elements such as buttons, text fields, and windows. Let's explore some of the popular Python GUI libraries and frameworks. Tkinter is the standard GUI library included with most Python installations. It provides a simple way to create windows, dialogs, buttons, and other GUI elements. Pros. Cons. PyQt is a Python binding for the Qt application framework, which is known for its flexibility and extensive feature set. Pros. Cons. Guis is an open-source Python framework for developing multi-touch applications. It's designed for building cross-platform, touch-enabled applications. Pros. Cons. WX Python is a Python binding for the WXWidget C++ library, which provides a native look and feel on various platforms. Pros. Cons. Choosing the right Python GUI shell depends on your project's requirements, your familiarity with the library, and the platform you intend to target. Tkinter is a good choice for simple applications, while PyQt and WX Python offer more advanced features and native looks. Guis is suitable for touch-screen applications, and your choice may also depend on your personal preference and experience. Explore these libraries further and select the one that best fits your needs and project goals. Remember that there is no one-size-fits-all solution, and you can always experiment with different libraries to find the one that suits your project the best. Happy GUI programming in Python. ChatGPT.